everyone. Welcome back to Homes Inspiration Studio, your ultimate destination for innovative architecture and breathtaking residential design. Before we dive in, we want to ask for your support to help this channel grow. Please subscribe to our channel, leave a comment, hit the like button, and share this video with your friends and family. Here at Homes Inspiration Studio, we are absolutely obsessed with the incredible potential of architectural evolution and the brilliant fusion of rugged durability with high-end luxury. Today, we are taking a trip to the countryside to explore a movement that has taken the housing world by storm. We are diving deep into the expansive and versatile world of barndominium-style homes design. A barndominium, or barndo, is a unique architectural hybrid that combines the structural framework of a traditional barn, usually featuring a steel or timber post frame construction, with the sophisticated interior and amenities of a high-end residential home. Originally conceived as practical work-live spaces for ranchers and farmers, the modern barndominium has evolved into a massive design trend characterized by its vast, open-concept floor plans, soaring cathedral ceilings, and a distinct gambrel, or gable, roofline. It is essentially a large, durable shell that offers homeowners a blank canvas, allowing for massive living areas that are not restricted by the load-bearing interior walls found in traditional stick-built houses. It is a brilliant fusion of agricultural utility and refined domestic comfort. The benefits of choosing a barndominium-style home go far beyond their trendy and rustic appearance. First and foremost, barndominiums are exceptionally cost-effective to build. Because they utilize a simplified post-frame structure and metal siding, the shell can be erected much faster than a standard home, significantly reducing labor costs. Furthermore, the durability of these structures is unmatched. Made with heavy-duty steel and metal roofing, barndominiums are incredibly resistant to extreme weather, fire, and pests, providing a safe and long-lasting sanctuary for your family. From a design perspective, the lack of load-bearing interior walls offers total flexibility, allowing you to create massive, great rooms and oversized kitchens that are perfect for entertaining. Additionally, the energy efficiency of modern metal buildings, when paired with spray foam insulation, ensures that these expansive spaces remain comfortable and affordable to heat and cool year-round. Decorating the exterior of a barndominium is all about balancing its industrial, metallic roots with warm, welcoming residential elements to create massive curb appeal. The most effective strategy is to break up the vast expanses of metal siding with natural textures. Consider adding a wainscot of stone or brick along the bottom third of the exterior to ground the house and add a sense of luxury. Installing massive wraparound porches with thick cedar posts is a quintessential barndo move, as it provides shade and creates a seamless transition between the rugged exterior and the cozy interior. You should also focus on industrial-chic windows, oversized black-framed window banks and massive glass garage doors used as entryways allow natural light to flood the interior while giving the facade a high-end, contemporary look. Finally, strategic exterior lighting, such as gooseneck barn lights over the doors or warm LED uplighting on the timber trusses, will make your barndominium look like a glowing architectural masterpiece at twilight. When designing a barndominium, several architectural styles naturally complement the open-frame structure. The modern farmhouse barndo is arguably the most popular, featuring white metal siding, black trim, and gabled rooflines that feel fresh yet traditional. If you prefer a more rugged, masculine look, the industrial-rustic style celebrates the raw materials by using dark charcoals, weathered wood accents, and exposed steel beams throughout the exterior. For those who want something truly unique, the country estate style utilizes massive wraparound balconies, stone chimneys, and elegant cupolas on the roofline to transform the barn structure into a sophisticated mansion. No matter the style, the barndominium offers a level of customization that is rarely found in traditional neighborhoods, allowing you to build a home that truly reflects your personality and lifestyle. Now that we understand the foundations of this architectural movement, let's explore some breathtaking examples. Here is our compilation of the top 10 best barndominium-style homes design ideas to inspire your next massive project. One, the classic monochrome farmhouse. This design features a striking contrast between brilliant white metal siding and sharp black trim. The gabled roofline is accented by a charming cupola, while a deep, covered porch with natural wood pillars adds a warm, welcoming touch to the industrial shell. It is the perfect balance of modern trends and rural charm. 2. The rustic stone and steel manor. Showcasing the power of mixed materials, this barndominium uses a heavy stone wainscot to ground the structure. The deep forest green metal siding blends seamlessly into a wooded environment, while the massive stone-wrapped chimney provides a focal point that screams high-end country luxury. 3. The modern industrial loft barndo. This design leans into the warehouse aesthetic with matte charcoal siding and expansive floor-to-ceiling glass window banks. The highlight is a functional glass garage door that opens the living room directly onto a concrete patio, creating the ultimate indoor-outdoor entertaining hub. 4. The wraparound porch paradise. Focusing on outdoor living, this barndominium features a massive porch that circles the entire building. The use of stained cedar ceilings on the porch and thick timber trusses gives the home a cozy, ranch-like feel that softens the hard lines of the metal roof. 5. The gambrel roof traditionalist. For those who love the look of a classic barn, this design utilizes the iconic curved gambrel roof. Inside, this allows for a massive second-story loft area, while the exterior remains timeless with red siding and white X patterns on the doors, reimagined with modern materials for long-lasting durability. 6. The minimalist desert barndo. Designed for arid climates, this home features light tan metal siding to reflect heat and a simplified, low-profile roof. The architecture relies on sharp, clean lines and large windows to frame desert views, proving that barndominiums can look just as sleek as any modern mountain home. 7. The timber frame hybrid estate. This home combines the strength of steel with the beauty of exposed timber. The entryway features a massive vaulted timber portico that acts as a grand entrance, leading into a home that feels like a high-end mountain lodge hidden inside a durable metal shell. 8. The sleek matte black sanctuary. Bold and contemporary, this barndominium uses all-black metal siding and roofing for a dramatic look. To keep it from feeling too cold, the design incorporates warm LED strip lighting and natural wood accents around the windows, making it a standout piece of modern architecture. 9. The L-shaped courtyard barndo. By arranging two container-style wings in an L shape, this design creates a private courtyard area perfect for a pool or fire pit. The layout allows for a natural separation between the massive living area and the private bedroom wing, maximizing the utility of the open-frame construction. 10. The clear-story light pavilion. This design features a raised central roof section with clear-story windows, allowing sunlight to pour into the heart of the home. The exterior looks sophisticated and architectural, while the interior benefits from the airy, cathedral-like atmosphere that only a barndominium can provide. In conclusion, barndominium-style homes are revolutionizing the way we think about residential architecture. They challenge the boundaries of design, proving that with a little creativity, a simple metal barn structure can be transformed into a soaring, luxurious, and eco-friendly masterpiece. Whether you want a rugged ranch-style home or a sleek, modern industrial mansion, the barndominium gives you the freedom to build a home that is truly extraordinary. If you enjoyed exploring these barndominium mansions with us today, please don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to Homes Inspiration Studio for more amazing architectural tours. Which of these 10 designs was your absolute favorite? Let us know down in the comments. And make sure to share this video with anyone who is dreaming of building their own unique home. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.